Keep your home clean and free from dust. Vacumaid Central Vacuum Systems. Vacumaid Central Vacuum System, presenting an innovative solution to your cleaning problems. A Vacumaid Central Vacuum System has brought up a revolution in the existing conventional cleaning methods and technology. Convenience redefined. Vacumaid's central vacuum power unit is located outside home, in the garage or basement, and you don't have to carry it around while you clean. To use, the hose is easily plugged into an inlet valve. Then all you have to work with is the lightweight hose and the attachment of choice. You don't have to push or pull around a heavy upright or awkward canister vacuum. Just think how nice it will be when trying to clean the stairs. Cleaning with your Vacumaid system. Vacumaid has the power and versatility to meet any cleaning challenge. Electric power brushes, air turbine brushes, and other floor brushes make it easy to clean almost any carpet pile or hard flooring. This system can do it all. Just plug the hose into one of the many easily accessible inlet valves. Select the right attachment tool and go for it. You can enlarge and reduce the size of the stick according to your requirement. With Vacumaid, you can effectively clean carpets, corners, mantles, behind appliances, wood, furniture, cushions, tiles, computer keyboards, delicate furnishings. Impressive health benefits by Vacumaid. Central vacuum system eliminates the dust recirculating in your home. Unlike most portable vacuum cleaners, which leave much of the fine dust recirculating in the air, a Vacumaid central vacuum system completely removes the vacuumed up dust and vents it outside. Vacuumaid's perfect cleaning performance effectively checks and reduces allergy and asthma symptoms. Dust, dust mites and pet dander are the leading cause of indoor allergies. Keeping your carpets dry and cleaning your home with a central vacuum system will help you to get rid of these allergens. A study conducted by University of California Davis School of Medicine states that use of a central vacuum system can greatly reduce allergy and asthma symptoms, all because your family deserves a healthy home. Your silent partner. Vacuumaid's silent partner central vacuum power units are so quiet that they won't disturb others in your home. By locating the power unit in a remote location of your home, you are able to keep the motor noise away from the living environment. Innovative and unique technology by US. Vacuumaid, the US-made central vacuum system, uses cyclonic separation. As dirt enters the canister, the air inside swirls like a tornado, with the heavier debris falling to the bottom of the can, while the fine particles are vented outside. These cyclonic power units are built to withstand dust in the motor without affecting the life or function of the system. Powerful vacuum. With 3 to 5 times cleaning power than most portable vacuum cleaners, you get a superior cleaning in less time. Vacuumaid's 1.5 HP powerful motor and the large dimensions of the dirt canisters allow the vacuum to pick up a lot of debris before needing emptied. Easy installation. Vacuumaid central vacuum system can be easily installed in new construction as well as existing homes. Installation in a new construction is simple. It has got 2 phases. The first phase includes running the PVC pipe and planning the location of the inlets. In the second phase, the installer adds the finishing touches by placing the inlets and hanging the power unit after the walls are finished. Installing a central vacuum in an existing home is also easy. 8 reasons to own a Vacuumaid. 1. Improved indoor air quality. 2. Powerful vacuum. 3. Large dirt collection and easy to maintain. 4. Convenience. 5. Protect investment. 6. Reduced noise levels. 7. Reasonably priced and easy to install. 8. Versatile.